What is mastery learning? Describe mastery learning model. OR. Describe the various elements of a teaching model. Explain them with reference to mastery learning. Mastery learning model. Mastery learning focuses on mastering a topic before you move on to a more advanced one. This method was made famous by J.B. Carroll, John Bissell Carroll, and B.S. Bloom. In a mastery learning classroom, teachers break up their curriculum into a series of skills or instructional units. The teacher will usually teach a topic, and then conduct an evaluation to record each student's understanding of that unit. Next, students who have mastered the unit go on to do enrichment activities, while the students who didn't achieve their goals are given additional opportunity to practice their skills. For example, extra class, more examples, etc. Mastery learning model allows struggling students opportunity to master critical concepts before new content is introduced. This model stands for the fact that every learner can learn if given the time and the right environment. This model also allows for an individual to increase their learning pace. In addition, feedback that is given during this process is very helpful for the student. After providing sufficient time and opportunity, retest for mastery of skills. Computers, the internet, and the use of technology in the classroom has made mastery learning easier and more practical today, compared to a couple of decades ago. The main four components of this model are: the subject matter is broken up into small topics. The basic concept and procedures are learned before the more complex ones. Student can't move to next lesson until they show mastered in preceding lesson. Support and resources. Elements of mastery learning model. Focus. The main focus of mastery learning model is to control the pace of the student, his aptitude, his prior knowledge of the student, without imposing any restrictions of time on him. Its main objective is to acquire a satisfactory level of performance in the school subjects. Syntax, structure. In this step, the series of teaching activities are decided. Also establish a relationship between the step and phases of activities, to bring the main education factors, the student, the teacher, and subject matter closer. To keep an eye on the progress of students through proper feedback and by strengthening the management system. To develop learning material which will help in fulfilling the objectives proposed by students. Attention is paid to learning process and learner-related atmosphere. Principles of reaction. This element is concerned with the teacher's reaction to students' responses. In this model, the teacher's reaction to students' responses is very impressive and good. Social system. This element is concerned with the interaction between the students and the teachers. In this model, the teacher helps the students gain mastery over the subject. While doing this, he also keeps an eye on their individual differences. The responsibility of the failure of this is totally on teacher rather than on the students. Similarly, he is equally responsible for the success of his students. Support system. Support refers to any additional requirement. Support includes special books, additional classes, extra classes, films, laboratory kits, reference material, etc. The school staff provides special time to weak learners. This model emphasis on diagnostic tests and evaluation and re-evaluation. Application and effect. This model helps in developing problem-solving qualities. This model also helps the slow learners in gaining self-confidence and hope for success. This model encourages self-analysis and inspiration. This model helps in developing self-initiation. It helps in obtaining a satisfactory level of confidence in school subject. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more videos.